Good morning, everyone. This is Dinesh Sharma from Raise the Bar with DS, and today we are going to discuss tenses. TENSES. Tenses in English grammar. The concept of tense. Concept of tense plays a dominant role. As our actions are time bound. Tense is taken from Latin word tempus, Latin word tempus, which means sequence of time, Hence, tense also means time or sequence of time. Okay, there are three major time sequences. There are three major time sequences: present, past, and future. And these three sequences, these three time sequences are further divided into 4 sub-sequences. Yes, simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So there are three major sequences: past, present, and future. Present, past, and future. And each of these three are further divided into 4 subsequences: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So then you can say present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past simple, past continuous, past perfect, or past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So we start with present simple tense. Present simple tense. Present simple tense. First tense is present simple tense. First tense is present simple tense. We never use is, am, are as helping verbs in this tense. This tense expresses about the regular daily routine actions or habitual actions, habitual actions. In this tense, we use first form of verb. We employ do, does as helping verbs in negative, interrogative, and int, interrogative negative sentences. Now see the sentence structures. Sentence structures. Structures in present simple tense. Positive, subject, verb first form, object, complement. पॉजिटिव में वेरिएशन, नेगेटिव देखिए, नेगेटिव सब्जेक्ट डू डज, मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट डॉट, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट and full stop. Interrogative, do, does, subject, verb first form, object complement, question mark, and int dot neg, do, does plus subject, verb v1, excuse me, not plus subject, sorry, verb v1 and object and complement and question mark. These are the four structure of this tense. For further rules, hashtags, there are some rules here. With I, we, you, they, and plural subject, we use simple verb, while in case of he, she, it, we add s or es to the verb, main verb. Hashtag 2, verbs ending in ss, sh, ch, o, x, o, x, etc. take es to be added. ss, sh, ch, o, x and various other, if they come, we will when they come I'll tell you. Okay, These are certain rules and structure about present simple tense. Now we see some, before we go for examples, let's see some adverbials or recognition words. Usages of present simple tense. First one, to express a universal truth. Universal truth, or you can say scientific truth. Scientific truth. Second, to speak about your occupation, profession or job. Third one is to relate to frequency or rate. These are the three places where you only use present simple tense, and other tenses are not applicable here and not, in fact, grammatically and logically correct here in this places. Okay, these are the places where you will use present simple tense. And now we see some adverbials of present simple tense. Present simple tense. Present simple tense has a mention of these words. These words are there in the sentence, like daily, generally, commonly, usually, frequently, every, always, never, seldom, often, regularly, generally, daily, generally, commonly, usually, frequently, every, always, never, seldom, often, etc. So these are the these are the adverbials. Adverbials are called recognition words of a tense. Recognition means if these words are there in the sentence, it is a present. The sentence is a present simple tense concord or present simple tense statement. Okay. So now let's see some example. First we will see the example of universal truth. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon shines in the night. The moon keeps changing in shape in the cycle of 15 days. The stars twinkle in the night. All these are scientific truth. Now let's take some mathematical truth. 2 and 2 make 4. Yes. These are the example of universal truth. Now we see the examples of the occupation, job and occupation. I teach in a school. She practices medicine in her clinic. In her clinic. He practices law at the court. So these are the example of occupation. Some more examples. He sells vegetables. She works in a boutique. She works in a boutique. These are the example of occupation. And now we take the example of frequency. Every Friday we watch a movie. I work out. I pray to God twice a day. Every Sunday we play cricket. Take this medicine. She takes the medicine thrice a day. So these are the example of frequency or rate. These are the example of frequency, and now see some examples of rate. My car runs 25 kms in a liter. In a liter. Okay, liter. My watch costs more than your car. My watch costs more than your car. Sometimes people, to insult other people on financial terms or economic terms or status, they make such kind of statement. Okay, this new dress costs okay. So these are the example of present simple tense. You have any doubt about present simple tense, you can ask me. So we have seen these examples of present simple tense so far. We have seen some rules, and then we had discussed structures. And then we had some common rules regarding verb s or es, and then usages, and then adverbials. Thank you very much.